My name is Curran. I'm Chief Executive of Dún Laoghaire Rathdown County Council. The key challenges facing local government at the moment are first and foremost the housing challenge. Sustainability and implementing our climate action plans are really important. And the whole digital transformation is a challenge as well. 90% of our services to be online by 2030. Another key challenge at the moment is attracting and retaining staff. People come into the organisation first. They need to get the basics in relation to the legislation and how, for instance, the housing department works, transportation, planning, local development. So that certificate in local government that's provided by the IPA I think is really important. People can go on then and do the diploma and the degree in public management and the masters in local government management. There's also a skill shortage in the area of research. Local authority middle managers, attend strategic policy committees. It's really important that they have the research skills available. And the courses in the IPA, such as the MA course, will provide opportunities to develop those skills. There's also areas in relation to corporate governance, and I know the IPA has worked with the local government sector in developing a code for corporate governance and will be providing training in that particular area. So that's really important that we have those training programs in place. I think the Senior Public Service Programme has been really important. It provides training for our Directors of Services and Chief Executives. It also is combined with the civil service. So a director of service on this programme will be alongside a principal officer from one of the government departments. So that sort of networking piece is really important, and building that leadership capability right across the public service. Well, I would recommend the IPA services to the local authority sector because of the experience that they have, the knowledge that they've been built up over many, many years of dealing with the civil and the public sector. The courses are all really geared around people who are working in the organisation. They're participative, their action learning is really involved as part of all these courses. And there's a whole opportunity to network both people within the local government sector and also people in the wider public sector. I think the future for the IPA is very bright. The organisation is on very strong financial footing now. One Learning and SBS has moved from Depender over to the IPA. There will be a new iteration of courses. There will be a new learning experience platform, an emphasis on online learning. I think into the future, in terms of local government, the IPA needs to focus on the basics in terms of the certificate in local government studies, the management training, the leadership training for elected members, looking at the likes of corporate governance and helping us out there in terms of training and what we do. And I think into the future as well, there'll be a focus on an apprentice model. That we have traditionally recruited craft apprentices, but now there'll be apprenticeships in relation to ICT, in finance, in planning, in local development. And I think there'll be a role for the IPA in that regard.